thank you for choosing Cable Dahmer. One of the advantages of coming into our service department is that we actually do a complete walk around of your vehicle every time you come in, checking lights, under the hood, and the tread of all of your tires. This particular tire is at 6/32 tread, so they still have some life in them. When they get to about 4 or 5/32 is when you want to replace, because actually worn out tires will double the stopping distance in the rain. This tire is also at 6/32, which means it's wearing pretty evenly. Also at 6/32, which means all of the tires should be wearing evenly with just one more to check. While your vehicle is here, we will also see if there's any body damage. That way we can get the body shop involved and see if they can get you an estimate while it's here. And all the tires are wearing evenly at 6/32. So they all still have some life in them for a little bit longer. As we come around, we'll also check your headlights and your caution lights. When we open up the hood, what we're doing is checking for anything obvious up here. If we don't see anything up here, we still have a certified technician take a more thorough look at it for you. I don't see anything up here, but later on a technician might say that there is a problem, and then we'll let you know. Then from here, we'll head on in and write you up.